arbitrationagreements.org. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving into a topic that's fundamental to the realm of arbitration. That's right, we will be talking about what a request for arbitration is. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. A request for arbitration can be simply defined as the formal document that initiates the arbitration process. It serves as the starting point for arbitration and is typically submitted by the claimant, which is the party who seeks to resolve a dispute. Within this request, the claimant lays out the essential elements of their dispute, the parties involved, the contract or agreement under dispute, and the nature of the dispute itself. You might be wondering, why is arbitration such a popular choice? Part of the reason is the confidentiality it provides. According to a recent survey, 97% of respondents valued this confidentiality. It's important to note that the content and format of a request for arbitration may vary, depending on the specific rules of the arbitral institution chosen by the parties. However, most requests generally include the following: 1. The names and addresses of the parties involved. 2. A reference to the arbitration agreement that is invoked. 3. A description of the nature and circumstances of the dispute giving rise to the claim. 4. The claim or relief sought. And optionally, the nomination of an arbitrator, if provided for in the agreement. Remember, the request for arbitration is a pivotal step in the arbitration process. It sets the stage for what's to come and provides the framework for the arbitration proceedings. The more accurately and comprehensively this document is prepared, the smoother the arbitration process will be. Do you need more information about requests for arbitration? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which advantage is your favorite? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.